Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we are on location in McLeansville, North Carolina at the National Guard Armory, and it's once again time for the annual North Carolina Woodworkers annual picnic and raffle. Up here early, we just got done setting the tables and chairs up for people to have a nice meal on. The raffle prizes and door prizes and artisan-made prizes are also being set up. I hope you all enjoy this video as we enjoy the 2026 North Carolina Woodworkers Picnic and Raffle. And crew, this is a phenomenal facility. You can see where people will come in and out. And right inside the door, we do have MC Woodworker shirts for sale. Of course, this is the one I have on now, but they have the dark brown, the khaki, the blue. Then they have some stickers here you can get. Of course, I'll get a couple stickers, some information here. We check in here. You can see my name here, Artisan Pirate. Here is all of the raffle tickets that have been sold, and any money made here today goes right back into the NC Woodworkers. So it's a great way to support the group by buying a shirt, coming to these events, and buying the raffle tickets for the raffle prizes. And everyone has their own job to do before everyone else gets here. You can see the raffle prizes being set up. Back here is going to be a swap meet area, and the stuff you see right there is stuff I brought from home to just give away to whoever needs it. Always willing to help someone in the woodworking community. And over here is where all of the delicious food is going to be. And here is one of the big raffle prizes this year. Pegasus fully loaded 21-inch scroll saw, donated by Klingspor Woodworking Shop. It even has the stand on it. You can see what the suggested retail price for the saw and the stand is, but you can enter for a chance to win it here today for just $6 per raffle ticket. So when you come into the picnic, you check in where they can keep account on how many's here and how many attended. You get a name badge with a color on it. Mine says red this year. It's been different colors through different years. And when they call this before they start doing the raffle prizes, you can come up to this table and get one item for free. I'm going to turn the camera around to where you can get a closer look at the stuff that they have had donated to give for free door prizes. Here is a closer look at the door prizes. You can see some great items have been donated to the NC Woodworkers for this. Have a bunch of finishes here. Wood glue, nice hats for saw stop, Klingspor, rubber gloves for finishing, some CA glue, some carpenter pencils, some earplugs. I've got one of these tools for marking your gauges and all, for ripping materials down. Some sanding pads. Some more sanding sheets by Klingspor, some that go in attachments, and so much more. Again, this is the free door prize table. And we're going to go from the door prizes to the main event. Everything you see here is going to be up for grabs in the raffle. So we have some templates by my buddies Nick and Landon at Stated Woods. Got some nice Bessie clamps here. So much nice stuff that has been donated from several woodworking groups. Some high-end woodworking books. We have a magnet block for hanging the kitchen knives on. Some micro jig stuff. Being as safe as you can be in your workshop. Some nice high-end turning tools here. Two, looks like bowl gouges. More stuff. A kit by Woodpeckers. More high-end stuff. A chuck for a lathe, the Rikon brand. Here we have the epoxy form where you can customize the size of an epoxy mold, a vacuum system, and we have a $500 and $1,000 gift cards for the hardwood store and Klingspor woodworking shop today. Here is a dust collection system, a Rikon spindle sander, and then the grand prizes are the Pegasus scroll saw wood stand and the fully loaded DeWalt planer. So a lot, and I mean a lot, of high-end woodworking stuff is up for grabs in the raffle that we'll have after we have a meal together. And crew, what kind of a woodworking event or picnic would it be without us making some stuff in our own garages or workshops? Everything along this table is the quote-unquote artisan made table. So I'm going to spin the camera around once again and show you all some beautiful, and I mean very beautiful and intricate woodwork that members of the NC Woodworkers have made. Here we have this beautiful quilted cutting board made by Roger. So nice and smooth with all these exotic and hardwoods in it. We have a gift certificate here, a gripper, some saws here that have been fully restored by Richard. So beautiful here. Here is one of the pieces I have donated. It's called the Founding Fathers. Made this on the laser, and I've also made something on the scroll saw. Here we have a turned and burned vessel bowl by our friend Mike Matthews. Beautifully detailed. We have a fine finishing system here donated. Here is the scroll saw piece I have donated, and this was a featured video on the YouTube channel if you all want to see it. It's an older Steve Good design. Oneida dust system. Miss Berta has not made it here yet, but she has donated this bear portrait she has cut out. She is a master of using spiral blades over on the scroll saw. And then my friends Johnny and Lisa made this flag clock here. Really, really beautiful. Finished up nice. And again, all the money made goes back to the NC Woodworking Group. Okay, crew, Miss Berta arrived, and I wanted to come back over here and show you this beautiful portrait she has cut out with the spiral scroll saw blades. Beautiful rustic piece of scroll saw work, and you can see that people have already put tickets because this is up for grab, just like everything else over here on this table.
Okay.
And we have some people doing a swap meet here, so you can get some good tools here for a great deal. Some of these vintage tools here. Nice biscuit joiner there for $30. Various tools and jigs. Some more nice thickness planers. Some old woodworking style clamps. And some more stuff over here. Really, really neat. And crew, it is almost time to eat. You can see the tables are now groaning under the weight of the food as it is coming out of the kitchen. Here's the dessert end. If you leave here hungry today, crew, it would be your own fault. Beautiful, beautiful facility for the annual picnic. And if you can tell by how quiet it got, crew, lunch is served. And here is lunch, crew. Everything looked So good. And got desserts already. But time to dig in. And then after lunch and a little bit of fellowship with our woodworkers, it'll be time for the raffle. Okay, crew. I'm tapping out. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nick. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Wow.
Okay, turn around and show it to me. Turn around and show it to me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lunch was delicious, crew. Now it's time for the raffle.
You might want to leave that one there until you're ready to go, Scott.
The next one is the JWW Industries JWL 10 by 15 variable speed lathe. Now this one, the company agreed to hold on to it until we had our raffle, and then they will send it directly to the winner. So there's information on this sheet so that they can do that. And the one? TAC. Wow. All right, the TAC, great job for picking up the slack on buying raffle tickets. Now we've got a dust topper turbo bagger. Ken Surter. And then we've got starting in a tall cot here, please, for $1,000 gift card. Farmer BW.
And that crew is going to about wrap it up for the 2026 North Carolina Woodworkers Picnic. Thank you all for following along. Hope you all learned something new about their organization. You can go to ncwoodworker.net and join the website if you felt led to do so. It's a great resource of men and women who are so talented in their respective fields of woodworking. You can see the area is abuzz with activity as everyone is packing up everything, and we are all going to go to our respective homes. I hope everyone has safe travels back home, and congratulations to everyone who won a prize. Remember, every bit of the money raised today went right back into the NC Woodworkers, so we can keep doing events like this, setting up at the Woodworking Extravaganza, and going and teaching and spreading the word of woodworking and teaching people how to elevate their skill sets out in their garage or workshops. Thank you all for following along today. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and also follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, crew, and remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you all. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you all real soon.